everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you how I made this adorable snowman decor for your kitchen or your hot cocoa display. And I'm just showing you all the items that I used, and I used that for a piping bag, these loot bags. And you're also going to want to prep a bowl, this bowl with I used ultra fine glitter paint. And so I did that ahead of time and got it to dry. I just painted the whole inside of it. And right now I'm just drawing a line around the cup to get the shape for my whipped cream on top. And I just cut off the handle part because I drew around it and I didn't want that to be covering the handle when I actually made it like I'm showing here. And I just used one of these foam shapes and hot glued it onto the cardboard piece. And then I'm just getting my caulking ready. Now, we don't seem to have what everybody is so blessed to get in the States, so I had to go get a caulking gun. I tried everything to get the caulk out of there, and there was no way it was working, so I had to go borrow Steve's caulking gun, so that's what I did. And you just want to move it all down to the end. And the tip I'm using is from another dollar store product I had bought a couple of years ago, and it was for icing cupcakes. But the tips are really cheap, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity to use them for this project. And it really does make it look like whipped cream. It is so cool. But yeah, I don't know how you guys make this look so easy. I had such a time trying to push this stuff through. But I did it. I got it. See, it's just so hard. It just wants to give you a hard time. But it doesn't matter. Whipped cream is whipped cream. And it's all going to look so delicious in the end. I promise. The only thing I wish I had done on this project was put a cherry on top. I totally meant to, and I forgot. And by cherry, I mean like a red pom-pom or something of that sort, or something red and shiny like a cherry. That would be the only thing I would change on this project. Other than that, I absolutely love it. And these are some little enamel dots that I had made from perler beads back when I very first started crafting. These things have lasted forever. I have used them on so many projects, and I highly suggest just going ahead and making a whole bunch. Just get the stink out of your house and be done with it, and they will last you for years. And I just love playing with this faux fur, so I had to incorporate it into this project. And I love these rotary knives. It cut like butter through that fur, and it was one I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It is so handy to have around for stuff like that. So if you're considering purchasing it, if you see it, definitely buy it. They're great. And I do want this to be a more permanent thing to my decor, so I am adding the E6000 to make it a more permanent hold. And of course you have to top it off with some hot glue to keep it steady, because E6000 takes forever to dry. And this is a piece that came off another DIY that I did, so I'm just using it here because I thought it looked really great. I was going to give him a scarf, but I really like this piece, so I thought it was a great opportunity to use it in this project. And we're just gluing all the final pieces on. And this is how it came out. I just love it. It's so sparkly and sweet, and it tempts your taste buds so much. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. I'd love to have you here. And thanks for watching, everybody. Have a happy holidays. Bye for now.